Tiddly peeps, I'm Hubba Hubba, talking to you from Hoobland. And I'm about to send 4 of my favourite Hoobs down to Earth to find out all about you for my great Hoobopedia. Here they come! You know who the Hoobs are?
Ivor!
Groove!
Hula!
And they're ready to go.
Hey!
Now the wheels are turning, we can all get learning all the things we want to know.
Hey!
Hubba hubba in Hoobland, and Roma somewhere far away. The motorettes are singing, we keep the engine spinning. Hoop hoop hooray! The Hoobmobile is coming your way.
Oh, here we come!
Hey! The Hoobs are here, so what do you say? Hoobs!
Oh, no. I don't believe it.
Is your peep story good, Ivor?
Yes, but I've just got to a sad bit where a little fairy lands on a thistle and... Ooby galooby, just listen to Groove.
Well, he doesn't sound sad. Come on, Ivor. You could do with a laugh.
What's so funny, Groove?
Oh, it's this, Ivor. Listen.
Why is it making that funny sound?
Well, I've no idea, Tula. It's not the sandwich. See?
Oh, it must be the bits rattling about inside the Hoobysandwichhammer.
It still works, though, doesn't it?
Oh, yes, Tula. The sandwich. Oh. Hoobylicious. I think I'm going to put my Hoobysandwichhammer in my collection of things that sound funny.
No, Groove, no. You can't put this in your collection. What will we use to flatten our sandwiches with? Split, splat, split, splat.
Hoobs like their sandwiches lovely and flat.
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean, Ivor. Oh, I couldn't eat an unflattened sandwich.
Well, we'll find you something else that sounds funny, Groove.
Oh, Hooby groovy. But what?
What?
Something that sounds even funnier than this, that's what.
I want the funniest sound there is.
If that's what you want, Groove, then that is what you will get.
Yay!
What is the funniest sound there is?
Hubba, 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 hubba.
That's the question for Hoob News.
What is the funniest sound there is? That's a fantabby Hooby question. Hoobs everywhere will want to know the answer to that one. We all love funny sounds, especially Roma.
Oh, yes.
I'll let her know right away.
And we can measure how funny each sound is by seeing how long we laugh.
Excellent idea, Tula.
Oh, yes, Tula, yes, really Hoobicious. How are we going to do that?
Oh, no idea.
And what do Hoobs do when they need an idea?
Have a Hooby think.
When you're stuck for an answer or what to do, stop. Think it through, take a deep breath in. Think it out, work it through, don't scream and shout. Think it through, don't go boo-hoo. Think it through, you'll feel brand new. If you think it through, if you think it through, if you think it through.
Yeah. Well, how was it for you?
Ooh, 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 I had an idea. I had one.
Oh, Hubba Hubba, I knew you would.
Yes, you bang the Hoobysandwichhammer, Ivor, and make Groove and I laugh. And, Tula, you can count Hooba-boobas while we're laughing.
Oh, Hubba Hubba, you are a genius. Here goes then. Ready?
1 hooba booba, 2 hooba boobas, 3 hooba boobas. 3?
3 Hooba Booba funny sound!
Well, Hoobs, maybe you can find a 4 Hooba Booba funny sound in these pictures I found on HoobNet. You never know. Here are some pictures of Tiddly Peeps blowing what they call a raspberry. I do think this is one of the funniest sounds I've ever heard. Oh, don't stop it. Oh, there's a little Tiddly Peep getting a raspberry blown on his tummy. Oh, dear.
Yay! We can make that funny sound. How hooby groovy is that?
Let's give it a go.
All right then, I'll blow the raspberry. Either you do the counting and Tula, well, you can just laugh. Ready?
Ready?
No, Groove, not like that.
No, it's all right. Hang on, Ivor. I think I've got it.
No, Groove, it's not like that. It's like this.
No, hey, no one counted Hooba Boobas. Look, now you've shown me, Ivor, I'll do it, and I bet you laugh longer when I blow it. Ready?
Ready?
1 hooba booba, 2 hooba boobas, 3 hooba boobas, 4 hooba boobas. We have a 4 hooba booba sound.
Groobly,
Well,
groobly.
I can put it in my collection of funny sounds. Yay!
Well, actually, no, you can't, Groove. You see, you can't put a in a collection.
Oh, that's true.
Oh, who be bother? Oh, here's Roma.
Oh.
She might have found something even funnier than a...
You seem to be laughing a lot.
Yes, Roma. Groove just made a funny sound.
Oh, very funny. But I think I found something even funnier.
Oh, who be groovy?
I'm at the zoo, you see, and behind me are a whole load of apes called orangutans.
They don't seem to be making a funny sound, Roma.
Well, no, Ivor, they're not right now. But a minute ago, you should have heard them. They were talking to each other in the most herbaceous way.
But they're not doing it now, Roma.
Oh, yes, Groove. Well, why don't I make the sounds for you?
Herbaceous idea. You make the sounds, and I'll count hooba boobas to see how long Groove and Tula laugh.
Right. Well, here goes.
1 hooba booba, 2 hooba boobas, 3 hooba boobas, 4 hooba boobas, 5 hooba boobas. We have a 5 hooba booba funny sound.
Oh, that's so fantabby-hooby! I thought I'd find you the funniest sound, Hoobs. This is Roma Hoob, aping about at the zoo. Hooble-toodle!
Oh, that is so funny. Now all I need's an orangutan for my collection of things that sound funny.
Groove, you can't keep an orangutan in your clutter cupboard.
He'd make a terrible mess all over the floor.
Oh, you're right. Oh, who be bother?
Oh, never mind, Groove. The good news is we found the answer to our question. Orangutans make the funniest sound there is. I'll call Hubba Hubba and let him know.
Yes! Nothing could be funnier than a 5 hooba booba funny sound.
No, hang on, Ivor. I reckon that we could find a 6 Hooba Booba funny sound.
A 6?
Yes, a 6.
No.
Yes.
5's enough.
Oh, no, it's not.
Hubba Hubba. 5 hooba boobas is funny enough, isn't it?
Not at all, Ivor.
See? Told you.
But how are we going to find something that's funny enough for 6?
By asking the Tiddly Peeps, of course. They enjoy laughing almost as much as we Hoobs do.
Oh, who be groovy idea, Hubba Hubba. I'll go.
Let's get those motorettes singing!
Yeah.
seatbelt.
Oh, seatbelt. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun.
They know.
The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them. Off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
Hooble doop, Tiddly Peep.
Hooble doop, Groove.
Do you want to do a Hoobie hello?
Yes, please.
Hooble doop.
Hooble doop, whoop, whoop, whoop.
I was hoping that you could help me. I'm trying to find the funniest sound there is.
How about this?
Yeah, raspberries are pretty funny. But I'm looking for something even funnier.
I know. Listen to this.
That is so Hoobie groovy. What is it? Is it a kind of musical instrument?
Kind of. It's called a kazoo.
Oh, a kazoo. Oh, play it again, please. Ivor, Tula, listen to this.
Yes.
I want a kazoo. I am definitely a kazoo sort of hoob. Tula, can you order me one, please?
Okay, Groove.
That is one of the funniest sounds I have ever heard. Thank you so much, Tiddly Beep. Hooble toodle doo.
Hooble toodle doo.
Has the kazoo arrived yet?
Not yet, Groove.
Oh, I can't wait to hooba-booba it. I bet it'll be a 6. I just bet it will. And it will go into my collection. Oh, yes.
When Groove upon some bread, he thwacked the sandwich hammer's head. It resulted in a very funny sound. Some mechanical defect produced a sound you'd not expect, and laughter began to echo all around. One hooba-booba, two hooba-booba, three hooba-boobas. Three hooba-boobas!
Then Hubba Hubba showed us some snaps. Into hysterics we collapsed as we saw and heard a really funny thing. A raspberry, it's called. That's when Groove was quite appalled. From his mouth that sound he found he could not ring.
One hooba-booba, two hooba-boobas, three hooba-boobas, four hooba-boobas. Four! Go on, 4 hooba-boobas! But it just got better yet when our good friend Roma met a bunch of whooping orangutans in the zoo. Those apes made a sound that had us rolling on the ground. Still, we laughed so much we thought we'd make it too.
One hooba-booba, two hooba-boobas, three hooba-boobas, four hooba-boobas, five hooba-boobas. 5 hooba-boobas. Those hooba-boobas numbered 5, but deliveries due to arrive. That'll maybe add another 1 or 2. Please, Tula, stand right back. Give Groove room to unpack.
And I'll play upon our very own kazoo.
One hooba-booba, two hooba-boobas, three hooba-boobas, four hooba-boobas, five hooba-boobas, 6 hooba-boobas.
One hooba-booba, two hooba-boobas, three hooba-boobas, four hooba-boobas, five hooba-boobas,
6 hooba-boobas. 6 hooba-boobas!
Hoobie kazooby.
6 hooba-boobas. Groove, put that kazoo in your things that sound funny collection.
Right. Oh, wait, though. How do we know that 6 hooba-boobas is the most you can get?
Because I can't think of anything that would make me laugh harder than that.
Maybe, just maybe, there's a 7 hooba-booba sound out there.
No!
Yes!
But what?
What?
I don't know what, but I'm gonna keep looking.
A 7 hooba-booba sound? Oh, It's never been done before.
Hubba, 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 hubba.
Oh, 7, you say? Well, that would be an almighty entry for my Hoobapedia. Now, Tiddly Peep has sent me this story. Perhaps it contains a 7 Hooba Booba sound. You never know.
Hermione the hyena had a real sense of humour. There was nothing she liked more than to laugh and laugh her way through the day. Because that's what hyenas do. They laugh a lot. Oh, yes! To Hermione, just about everything was funny. A bird flying in circles through the air. Now that was funny. A tree bent over in one direction. Now that was really funny. A monkey scratching itself. Now that was really, really funny.
Oh, the world just cracks me up,
she would say to herself. One day, Hermione met all her hyena friends at the watering hole. She knew she was in for a really good laugh, because when hyenas get together, that's when they laugh the most. But her friends had decided to play a trick on her.
We're not going to laugh,
said Henry.
Just look glum.
Sure enough, when Hermione arrived, they all looked really glum. Nothing would make them laugh. But Hermione had never seen her friends look so funny. She began to giggle, and the giggle grew and grew. Then, one by one, the other hyenas began to laugh too. And soon the sound of silly hyena laughter echoed for miles around.
Hoopy galooby! Hyenas laugh even more than Hoobs do.
Well, what were they laughing at? I didn't hear any funny sounds, did you?
No, not so much as a raspberry. Oh, which reminds me, must be time for another one.
Yes, thank you, Groove. I think we've had quite enough raspberries for now. Oh, Hubba Hubba, you're so funny.
I know, Ivor. Oh, but you should hear Auntie Hattie when she blows one.
Oh, yes, I bet it's herbaceous.
Now, if you really want to know what those hyenas found so funny, Hoobs, why don't you ask the Tiddly Peeps? They know all about everything else. They're sure to know about hyenas.
You go this time, Ivor.
Okay, come on then. You can drive, Tula.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun.
They know.
Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
Tiddly Peeps, why are we laughing?
Funny, Ivor.
Oh, right. What's funny? Is there a funny sound you're laughing at?
Yes,
I can't hear anything. Only you two laughing.
that's it. It's laughter. If you hear someone else laughing, it makes you want to join in. You can't help it.
Oh! so, do you think laughter is the funniest sound there is?
Yes.
Oh, gracious! Did you hear that, Tula? Groove? That's what those hyenas were laughing at. Each other's laughter.
Do a hooba booba count, Ivor.
Okay. 1 hooba booba, 2 hooba boobas, 3 hooba boobas, 4 hooba boobas, 5 hooba boobas, 6 hooba boobas, 7 hooba boobas, 7 Hooba Boobas, Hooby Galooby. Oh, but how can Groove put laughter in his things that sound funny collection?
Here's how, Ivor. You can have this. It's a bag of laughs. You just press the button and you can hear laughs whenever you want.
Thank you, Tiddly Peeps. Groove will be so happy. I'd better get back now. Oh, Hooble Toodle Doo. We did it! We did it! We got a 7 Hooba Booba sound!
I knew it! 7, 7, 7.
Well, here you go then, Groove. Now you can put laughter in your collection.
Oh, Hooby Groovy.
And just in time for Hoob News.
Can you blow a raspberry? Can you make a noise like that? Can you blow a raspberry? Can you make a noise like that?
Can you blow a raspberry? Can you make a noise like that?
Then we'll all have a jolly good laugh. Laugh and all the world laughs with you. Laugh and all the world laughs with you.
Laugh and all the world laughs with you.
But I prefer to make a noise like that. Sorry, but it's funny, isn't it? I told you it was.
Hubba, 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 hubba. Now, Hoobs, are you ready to give me your Hoob news for my great Hoobapedia?
Yes, we're all set, Hubba Hubba.
Then take it away.
Hooble Doop Whoop to all you Hoobs out there. Welcome to Hoob News, the new show for Hoobs everywhere. I'm Ivor.
I'm Tula.
And I'm Groove.
And today we've been asking the question,
What is the funniest sound there is?
the Hoobysandwichhammer made us laugh for 3 Hooba Boobas. But the Tiddly Peeps blowing raspberries was even funnier. It scored 4 Hooba Boobas.
Then Roma told us about the funny sounds that orangutans make, and she pretended to be one.
We thought that was definitely the funniest sound.
Oh, but then we discovered the kazoo.
It was so funny, we couldn't imagine anything funnier.
Hubba Hubba found us a story about some hyenas who laughed.
Yeah, but we just couldn't work out what they were laughing at.
So we went back to see the Tiddly Peeps, and they were laughing and laughing too.
And they told us that what made them laugh the most is laughing. In fact, laughter is a 7 Hooba Booba sound.
Oh, that makes me laugh too, Hoobs. Oh, I can't stop. So excited once again.
Hooba Doo.